Okay, when choosing a room, depends on what you like. If you want the morning sun or afternoon sun. In this case, yung mga yan, they have the morning sun. Kanya sila ngayon, naaarawan. Oh, look at this, ganda rin ang kanilang swimming pool, no? Meron pa dun sa may roof deck. Ito, may infinity pool at meron kang konting view ng dagat. Yes, pero pinakamaganda yung sky deck. Mas okay ambience doon. Ano, Bernal, let's go to the sky deck. Ba din ang swimming pool nila dito, kana yung mga bata. Pag umaga, may ingay sila. Ayan, yan ang aking upuan. Ayan si Berna, we're enjoying the afternoon kasi walang araw. So that's why I'm saying it depends on the on where the sun is. Yung ano ngayon, yung sunset, it's on the right side. Galing din ang ginawa ng Henan, ano? Tatlo na sila, Henan na Panglao, may Tawala, at ito ngayon, yung Premier. Balita ko, magtatayo pa ng isa pa. Walang advantage, oh. Pagka may room ka sa may poolside, yan, sabay swimming na, ayun, sabay binabantayan ka ng parents mo, dun, umiinom ng beer. Berna, let's go, exercise. Let's walk by the beach. Okay, go inside. Maganda rin yung spacing ng hotel na to, no? This would be about 30 square meters. Pero ang ganda ng spacing, oh. Meron kang ano dyan, table for working. Oh, tapos ako naman, meron akong maliit na sofa. Tama lang yung space. Oh, tapos relax ka, meron kang TV na hindi naman ginagamit. Let's go. Ito na, yung sky deck pool, oh. Maganda rin siya, oh. Ganda rito, yung swimming pool dito, merong ano, may mga cabanas. Ayan, oh, panay infinity pool. Ayan, may kabana ka. Kung nagsawa ka na mag-swimming. Dito may additional 3 cabanas. Eto, sarap din dito mag-swim. Dito may 3 cabanas. Ito ang famous La Costa kung saan nagbe-breakfast. May view din ng dagat. Okay, aside from the breakfast, ayan ang menu para makita nyo. Yun ang favorite ko, yung gambas 570. Pero syempre, dadagdagan mo pa yan ng senior citizen. Yun ang advantage. Dito naman, may beef rib eye ranchero. Medyo mahal lang, ha? Almost 3,000 pesos. Aba, may lengua. Mura yung lengua niya. Okay, may lengua pala siya. Sarap yan. Oo. Iba pa yung estofado de lengua. Aba, okay. Marami palang choices. Yan, the best si Berna, nakatingin sa view habang kumakain ng breakfast dito tuwing umaga. Eto, kailangan masubukan ko yung pizza nila kung masarap. So may pizza, may mga sandwiches. Ayan ang mga presyo para just in case pupunta kayo dito sa Henan Premier. Drinks, kapag happy hour, it's buy one take one. So you have an advantage to take 50% off. Oh, Mama Berna is enjoying the view. Oh, okay, kuha natin ng picture. Nice shot. The best, no? Pagkatapos mo mag-breakfast sa umaga, ayan ang mga coconuts. You can actually chill out. Ang dami lang mga sunbeds. And talaga naman, napaka-wide ng beach. Kahit high tide o low tide, whatever tide, maganda pa rin siya. Ang dami niyang sunbeds. Daming choices, oh. Imagine, 3 hotel to na pinagdikit-dikit nila. Oh, ayan. Ito ang premier. Meron din siyang rooms na ocean view. Ganda ng coconuts, oh. Sarap maglakad ng ganitong oras. Lalakarin natin yung ibang parts ng Henan. Ayan ang pangalan, La Costa. La Costa pala. Diyan tayo nagbe-breakfast tuwing umaga, oh. Ayan yung mga rooms. Isipin mo itong Henan, oh. Nag-start lang to sa Boracay. Yan, sinakop na piti Bohol. Yan, Henan Premier Coast. Ang quality ng sand is very very nice. Tsaka talagang mini-maintain nila, oh. Ayan, daming security. Kaya hindi naman sila bastos, no? Kailangan lang siyempre guest ka because they're protecting the guests. Ayan. Diyan ka pipili ng sunbeds. Pero pagdating ng gabi, tinatanggal nila. O, ayan, meron parang rope na pag hindi ka guest, you should be not inside dito sa loob. Well, okay rin naman kasi to give protection to the guests. Ito, Henan Resort, Alona Beach Resort. Nasaan na yung Tawala, Berna? Ha? Sa likod? Yun ang Tawala? Akala ko Tawala muna. Okay. Yes. Henan Beach in Bohol. Ayan, lagay. Exclusive for guests of Henan. Exclusive for Henan guests. Ayan, ganda ng swimming pool. Tapos may sounds dito, oh. Kung gusto mo nang uminom, siyempre happy hour. So far, this is a video, hindi to Photoshop. So far, everything I see is really nice. It's well maintained. Ito, beach bar, Sea Breeze Cafe. Puting-puti yung sand niya, oh. Ito siguro yung Sea Breeze Cafe. Yes. 50% on the drinks. Yes. I love Henan. Ganda. Sikat na si Henan. With all the coconuts. Yan, si Berna. Nag-aabang na kami ng sunset. I love sign. Yes, yan ang maganda sa Philippines. There's so many coconuts. I have a friend who owns Mermaid. Ang sabi na, I want to live in a country where there are so many coconuts. Yes. And part of them is Bohol, Palawan, name it. Basta islands, we have coconuts. Yes, it's really nice. Okay, so Berna's going to look for a seat for us. Hopefully, she was able to find a good area na magandang view. Oh, meron nga. Meron nga siyang nakuha. Oh. Ayan, dapat dalawang upuan, ha. Okay. Yan, dalawang upuan. Yan, siyempre nakatingin kami sa view. Ang tinitingnan nila, dagat. At saka inaabangan ng sunset. Yeah. You enjoy your view, Mama Berna? Walang tao, yes. Oh, yan ang view mo, di ba? Oh, yan, pinapipili si Berna. O anong gusto? Buy one, take one. Sabay ba sinaserve? Sabay sinaserve, no? Okay. Alright.
Bathroom number
So,
doon kami sa kabila.
Ayan mga tao talaga, oh. Inaabangan talaga si sunrise at saka si sunset. Ano gusto mong orderin, Mama Berna?
Nangyari, sir?
Hindi, ano gusto mong orderin?
Yung sisig in Beggar's Birth.
Oh, okay. Anong masarap na appetizer, Mama Berna? Nag-order ka na? Hindi pa?
Kasi nag-order tayo.
Ah, okay. Ano nga order mo? Okay, so dati we were booked here. It's very nice because at least you get to use their swimming pool here, which is infinity pool, but all the rest are very nice pools also. Well, for sure, Henan has developed very many nice prime properties already, and we're already enjoying everything they develop. That's Berna already sitting down, enjoying herself. Yes, on top of that cliff is the beautiful Amorita Resort. We also tried it before. Yes. Ganda, yung Amorita. Happy hour is from 3 to 7. Again, that's Amorita on the cliff. Ayun, masarap yan, no? Chicharon tsaka balot. Yun nga lang, hindi siya pwedeng pumasok. You can only sell outside. That's really good. Chicharon balot with suka. After 7, these people here will be gone because they want the discount of 50%. Oh, Mama, nandiyan na pala yung drinks natin. Okay, we can have a toast. Huwag ka mo nang iinom. We're gonna have a toast, Mama Berna. Yes, cheers to the good life. Okay, tingin uli sa view. Yes, just for ano lang, for video. Naku, yan na yata. Yan na yung sisig. Sisig na yan, ha?
Kailangan ko isa lang.
Yung dalawa po.
Oh, bail out na agad, Berna.
Madi-discount
Ang bilis naman, bail out agad. Ang ganda ng sisig niya. Parang binalot sa lumpia, Berna. Ganda. Oh, baka dyan lang, busog na tayo. Yes. Sisig for appetizer. Okay, so I don't think there's going to be a very nice sunset here at the beach, but anyway, it's still very nice. But to let you know, if you're a scuba diver, there's a wall from over there up to Bohol Beach Club. That's why if you're a scuba diver, this is a perfect place to go scuba diving. And that's the reason why we're here. So okay, time to say goodbye. The sunset is on my right side. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.